What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, we ended up picking up Ktuned upper coolant housing for the K24. If you guys noticed on my previous videos, I already had this piece on the old head, but the piece that I had was not going to work with my radiator setup. The old piece was it came out straight out of the head, and with my hoses that would not work. So I ended up selling it with the old head, and I ended up picking up the same piece but the angled OEM style version, just so it would fit with the rat hoses that I got going on here. So as you can see, that's the setup I'm running. Those are the hoses, and that little angled piece that's sticking out there like that is what I needed. I couldn't just cut the hose and go straight in because of the simple fact I would have had to bend the hose and, you know, and manipulate the hose in a way to get it to fit, which I did not want to do. I think I might have to do it to this one, but it's gonna be minimal and the hose will not get kinked in the process of me doing so. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you a quick little unboxing of the piece, what comes in the box, and then we're gonna be installing this onto the 24. Stay tuned. So yeah, with that being said, this is the part number for this upper housing. Yeah, so what comes in the box, you get a couple fittings, you know, for the regular style silicone hoses. Then you got an AN style like bung that you'll be able to screw in if you want to do the whole AN style type of rat hose. You get the actual housing piece, and you get the bolts and another block off. What is that for? Let me see. Oh yeah, that would go if you are for your heater hose. If I'm not going to be running a heater hose, so I will eliminate this just to give it that cleaner look. Eliminate this this piece and install that block off there. So yeah, the piece is a really nice piece, man. Like always, Ktuned's billet aluminum, it's on point, man. Best of the best. So yeah, that's all that's in the box. They also give you a few stickers. This is a new one. Every time I order a Ktuned, it's always these style stickers. This is probably just gonna go in the garbage. I got so many of these, I don't know where else to put them. But yeah, this is a new one. I'll probably put this somewhere on my toolbox. But yeah, let me set you guys up over on the, yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in here. Let me set you guys up over in the engine and start installing this bad boy. Yeah, guys, we're gonna start off by removing this piece here, and hopefully it's not on there too tight. Oh, it's loose. Alrighty, now that's out. Yeah, this is I guess an ORB style. You guys see, it's not like an AN style. It's ORB, like what you would use for like a fuel rail, and it comes with an O-ring. So yeah, let me grab the block off, install it onto the plate, and that way we can start installing this on. This is gonna be a fairly easy install, guys. It's not like brain surgery or not like that. So yeah, let me set this up, and yeah. So the block off also comes with a little O-ring. So what you're gonna do is just screw this piece on there. All right, and now you're gonna grab the style bung, or whatever you would call this, of your application, whether it's AN. I'm using, like I said, the silicone, and then just screw this this part on here. Grab your wrench and give it a nice snug. Be mindful, this stuff is aluminum. Not sure if it could snap. Pretty sure it can, but yeah. Yeah, that's good there. So now, this housing, Ktuned provides you with the O-rings that come around. I still use Honda Bond, but you know, I ended up calling Ktuned as well. On the first one I ended up picking up, and they also recommended to use either Permatex or Honda Bond, give it a thin layer, and then slap the housing on without the gasket. Originally, this comes with an OEM style, like a metal gasket, like an intake gasket, or you know, the same style. You would remove that. Do not install that. Just install it with the O-ring and a thin layer of Honda Bond, slap it on, tighten it down, and that is it. So yeah, let me start doing this. Oh snap, this also has a little screw at the bottom. This is if you're gonna install the, I don't know if you see that on camera. If you see this little setting here, this is a coolant temp setting, I believe. Yeah, the other one's a fan. Yeah, so this is a coolant temp setting. If you are gonna be running that on the housing, now's the time to screw it in there. I figured I just put mine on this side of the housing, so it's tucked away, hidden. Don't gotta deal with it. But yeah, for the coolant housing side, that screw that it comes with. All right, give me a second. So yeah, that screw that's under there, they provide you a 1/8, I guess it's an NPT little screw, and then you just screw it in here. I always add Teflon on this stuff. Matter of fact, let me grab my Teflon real quick and so yeah, get the bolt or the lock off, whatever you want to call this thing. Just give it a quick little layer of Teflon tape. And then just screw it into the port on the housing. Let's see if you can see it there, but yeah, it's gonna be a little snug just because you got the Teflon in between like all the threads and just creating a seal. That should be good. Piece should look like that. You guys can see it. It's gonna stick out a bit. That's all right. So now we're just gonna add some Honda Bond onto the back side of the housing, and then install it onto the head. Try to clean out the ports inside, just so you don't get no gunk buildup. But yeah, that is what it should look like. Now we're just gonna slap this onto the head. Let me clean my hands up real quick. Give me a second. All right, so now we got a nice little thin layer of Honda Bond on here. So now let's install this. tighten the plate down, remember, do it in the next pattern. You don't want to do one side then the other because, you know, it won't seal properly. Should be it. Now what you want to do, man, is clean up any excess Honda bond that you might have got, because that Honda bond gets on everything, man. You start getting it, working with the Honda bond, and you know, starting to spread it or whatnot, it starts getting everywhere. So yeah, just take this clean rag, wipe around any excess Honda bond that might be on the piece, and that's it, guys. You're, for the most part, you're done. All you gotta do now is just tighten this up, tighten the hose, and that is it. So give me a second. Nope. Ain't that some stuff? Whew. For a second I thought I didn't have it. If you don't got the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona, you shouldn't be behind a car. Guys, comment down below if you know what movie that's from. That's all she wrote, guys. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it, man. If you guys would subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell notification down at the bottom so you guys be notified whenever I put out any videos. And remember, guys, until next time, stay blessed. Peace.